Hello and welcome. You have Windows S mode, which is quite annoying, but let's see how to switch out of it. So open the search box and type activation or activation settings, and then click, and you'll go to the activation settings window. Edition is Windows 10 Home in S mode, but we need to switch. So we have option here, switch to Windows 10 Home, go to the store, click on this. Once in Microsoft Store, we go straight to this app, switch out of S mode. Free, click on Get. And now if you're already logged in your Microsoft account, you would just proceed. If not, you need to log in into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you need to create one. Okay, so let's type the username first. Click on Next. Let's type the password. And click Sign In. To choose Microsoft Apps only or Next for all of the apps. Click Next and that's it. Click on Get one more time if needed. Working on it, and now we'll get a message. You're all set, you have switched out of S mode. You can install apps outside of Microsoft Store, which is what we wanted. Okay, when we close this, we can see that now instead of Windows Home S Home, we have Windows 10 Home. It is what we wanted, and we can check one more time this by going to this PC, right-click on empty space, again Windows 10 Home. I hope this helped. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.